Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to integrate the session timeout in Flutter. So I will give you complete detail information about this one. Don't skip the video. Please try to watch entire video, otherwise you are unable to understand. Let's write the code. So here I am taking one stateful widget, first page, set this scaffold body. Open second page. So whenever the user click on this elevated button, then we have to redirect to second screen. This is done. Copy this one, take one more file here, second page, paste here, instead of first page refactor second page, second page. Okay, done. After that, import material package. So here first page, add second page, open third page. Copy this one, take one more screen, third page, refactor this class name, third page. So here add third page. These two things no needed here. This is the last page. The column also no need. Remove that column. Remove the constant. Before the scaffold, add constant keyword. Okay, done. So three pages we had taken now. First page, second, third page. Constant keyword. Okay. Here, so in first page, whenever user click on this, we have to move to second screen. Whenever user click on this elevated button, open second page, we have to move this from this screen to second screen. We have to move. Navigator dot push context material page root builder context. Okay. After that, second page. Okay. Done. So like this way you will able to redirect to second screen, second page with the help of this navigator dot push. So same code, copy and paste in remaining two screens. Here, here open third page. So third page we have to move. Third page. Go to the third page. Here no need. So here we have to create the session. I have to create the one directory session. So inside the session, we have to create session manager. Session manager class. So based upon this class, we will able to handle session expiry thing, timeout session expiry thing. So take one stateful widget session, session manager. Okay. So import the material package here. Instead of container, take listener widget, listener child will be. So whatever the input we are passing from here, that will be the child widget child this dot child widget dot child. Okay. Void callback. We have to take void callback also on session expired. Okay. Format this code here on pointer down. Take one create one timer function. Before that, you have to initialize the timer, timer. Take init. Inside the init, uh, import this timer thing by using async dot package. Create one timer function. Session start. Okay. So after that, take start timer equal to timer dot periodic. The duration will be the input. Whatever the input we have to pass, that will come here. Duration. This one also required one is dot duration. Widget dot duration. Okay. Now timer is created. So for closing the timer, we have to create one function, close timer. Before closing, we have to check the timer is not equal to null. Then only we have to close that function. Close the timer. Timer dot cancel. And so inside the start session, first of all we have to close timer. After that, we have to call the start timer. So here we have to take one more parameter, stream controller. Stream controller. Go to the init, initialize from here, stream controller. Okay, done. Stream controller also one of the input field. We have to pass stream controller. This one also required one. For this dot stream controller. Okay. Now here stream controller equal to widget dot stream controller. Okay, done. After that, create a listener for the stream controller to listen the events. Stream dot listen. Okay, and the stream will not be null. So we have to check the stream controller not equal to null. Then only call this listener function inside this. Okay. Now here, if event not equal to null and event dot timer as boolean will be true, then only we have to close the timer. Before closing, we have to call widget dot session on session expired. Okay, done. Inside this one, call the session start. In else part also we have to handle uh, on session expired. Here also we have to close the timer. Here also we have to close the timer. These two things not here. We have to call here, here. So here we have to start the session. Session start. Else it will be timer will be closed. Okay. This is done. Take one more class. Session class session class. We have to add these two functions: start listener, stop listener. So with the help of this function, we will able to start the timer, start the session. With the help of this function, we will able to stop the session. It means we will able to close the timer. Here, we will able to start the timer. Here we are taking context, build context, and stream controller. This is needed for listening the streams inside the session manager. So we are creating one map object. Inside this map object, we are passing the context, and timer will be true. So that object we are passing through the stream controller. So whatever the data we are passing from here, the data will be listened here. From here we will able to listen the data. So in stop listener, same code, but this timer will be false, not true. This is the only one difference. Our session dot file is done. Session manager also done. go to the main dot. We have to take one more. Uh, no need. We will take here. So here we have to create our global variable final global navigator key equal to global key navigator state. Okay, done. So this one. So with the help of this one, we will able to get the current context, which screen is active. So that screen context will we will able to fetch with the help of this global navigator key. So for that we had what we have to do. So inside the material app, we are having navigator key. Here we have paste this one global navigator key. Okay. So after that, to the material app, we have to wrap the session manager widget. Session manager widget. Okay. After import the what is the required fields here. Session expired. Duration we have to pass. Duration. Seconds. 10 seconds I am adding. Testing purpose. Stream controller. So we have to take one stream controller here. Session also needed. Session equal to session. Okay, import this session. After that, stream controller, stream controller equal to new stream controller, stream controller. Done. Remove the new, no need. So here we'll add one, take one function, redirect to login, redirect to login page. Okay, redirect to first page. Sorry, redirect to first page. Now here, first of all, check if global key dot current context not equal to null. Take the navigator. Before navigator, have to close the navigator dot pop on navigator dot global current context. After that, navigator dot push context material page root context. After that, first page. Done. Instead of this context, we have to pass global key dot current context. Current context dot current context. Okay. So navigator is done. After that, copy the stream controller. Here pass double and if global key dot current context not equal to null and session dot enable login page equal to true, then only we have to call the redirect page URL. Add the print session expired. Session expired. Okay, done. So after that, inside the first page, build, inside the build, we have to call the session. First of all, we have to check the navigator. So here, inside the build, we have to check the global key. Context not equal to none. After that, session dot start listener, stream controller. Here you will pass global key dot current context not. Okay. So this is done. So after that, inside the first page, you have to pass the session. This dot session. Okay. This is also required one. On click, you have to call this widget dot session. Widget dot uh, okay, session. Here also pass the session. Okay. Here we have to add one snack bar. After session expire, we have to. I am showing the some snack bar here. So for that, here you will scaffold messenger dot context dot show snack bar content container color black child text session expired session expired color will be black white color will be white. So here instead of the context we have to pass global key navigator context. Okay, done. So let's run the code and check how it is working. Got it. So here first page is opened. So when I am clicking on this, open second page. After some 10 seconds, it will redirect to first page. See, session expired. It is coming to session also expired. Again, do the open third page. No, directly from the screen to directly it will open first page after 10 seconds. Okay. So in this case, I'm open second page. I'm clicking something. I'm clicking something here. So in this case, the session will not expire. It means user will be active now. So whenever user will not do any further action, then only the session will be expired. If you see now, I removed the cursor. I had done anything. See, now session is expired. So like this way, you will able to implement timeout exception in Flutter. Timeout session. So some of the developers don't know about this one, how to implement. Actually, we don't have the libraries also. Only one library is there, timeout session library. So this one I customized this one for you. So this video might be helpful to you. So if you like the video, please give a like. If you are not a